Hi everyone! In this video, we will demonstrate the steps of launching SDC Verifier for Simcenter 3D and new project details completion. SDC Verifier for Simcenter 3D has already been launched. To create a project, in File section click on New. A new project window appeared, and in Model File path, press the folder button to open model file. Navigate towards the location of the model and select Get Started Plate As, which is a simulation part, and press Open. If you already have an open model in Simcenter 3D, press Get Activated Model Path instead. Moving on to project details, the number of the project and its relevant name need to be filled in. You can also add the description of the project. For the first run, the engineer details like a name of a person, company's name, and the rest of the fields can be filled in. Then, by pressing this button, the details are saved to the library. Press OK. But for future projects, pressing Library button, the saved details can be loaded. Press OK. You can load a relevant logo to the library as well. The same logic as in Engineer Details refers to Customer Details section. Press OK again, and OK again. New project is being created, and Simcenter 3D is simultaneously launching. Go back to SDC Verifier. By expanding model tree, particularly model section, materials, properties, FEM loads, and constraints, they all have been successfully read. If you have any other questions on how to get started with SDC Verifier software, online help on our website may come in handy, so go to Software, Online Help, Help for SDC Verifier for Simcenter 3D. To check our tutorials, go to Resources, Learn section, SDC Verifier Tutorials. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos to come. Also follow us on social media to receive updates first while keeping up with us. All necessary links are pinned in the comments section below.